Good morning, all my dear students of class 6. Today, let us start life in the Amazon basin. As we have already started this lesson in the Google Classroom, today let me give you a quick recap what we have done in the last class of Google Classroom. Life in the Amazon basin, as I already taught you in the last class in Google Classroom, where we have learned about the Amazon basin, which covers a huge area, a vast area of South Africa. So let's start. As you can see in the picture, the first paragraph is all about the location of the Amazon basin. So what it is written here in about the location of the Amazon basin, that the Amazon basin is the largest tropical rainforest in the world. So it is the largest tropical rainforest of the world. This ecoregion is located in central eastern Brazil between Tapajós and Xingu, the major tributaries of the Amazon river. So one important thing is written here, that the most important, the major tributaries of Amazon river are Tapajós and Xingu. Now, in the next line it is written that it extends southwards and end in the Serra do Cachimbo hills. So this is the name of the hills where the Amazon river ends. The Amazon basin comprises 8 countries of South America. So the Amazon basin comprises 8 countries of South America. So by mistake I told you that Amazon basin is located in South Africa, but it is in South America. It's my mistake. So the Amazon basin comprises 8 countries of South America. So what are the name of the 8 countries? The name of the 8 countries in which the Amazon basin comprises are Bolivia, Brazil, Colombia, Ecuador, Guyana, Peru, Suriname and Venezuela. Now, in this topic, what it is written that a major part of the Amazon basin is located in the Brazilian highland. So, the major part of the Amazon basin is located where in the Brazilian highlands, which provide it with a hard crystalline bedrock. The terrain is undulating and dissected by numerous small rivers: Maranon, Rio Negro, Japura, Tapajós, Purus, and Xingu are some of the important tributaries of the Amazon. So, the name of the some of the important tributaries of Amazon River are given here. So, what are the names of the important tributaries of Amazon rivers? Are Maranon, Rio Negro, Japura, Tapajós, Purus, and Xingu are some of the important tributaries of the Amazon. The largest river flowing through the Amazon basin is Rio Iriri. So, what is the largest river flowing through the Amazon basin is Rio Iriri. You must underline it with your pencil. The largest river flowing through the Amazon basin is Rio Iriri. It flows into the Xingu River. Most of the rivers of the Amazon basin are navigable and are considered its lifeline. So, what is the meaning of navigable? The meaning of navigable means by using boat. Okay, it people can do transportation through this river. These rivers are known as navigable river. So here a beautiful picture in the right hand side of the presentation you can see it's Rio Napo river in equator of Amazon, which is navigable. In this picture the paragraph is all about the Amazon basin is located close to the equator and experience an equable climate. So it's all the paragraph is all about the climatic condition, the weather condition of the Amazon basin. So because the Amazon basin is located close to the equator, that's why it experience an equable climate. That is, the climate does not vary greatly throughout the year. It is almost always hot and humid. The diurnal range of the temperature is high, the annual range of the temperature is very less. The seasons are not distinct. The average annual temperature is 27 degrees Celsius and the average rainfall is in between 200 and 250 centimeter. Now, in this paragraph, it is written about the climatic conditions of the Amazon basin because it falls in equator, close to equator. That's why it's experience hot and humid climate mostly, and the seasons are not distinct. You can't find that much of different between the seasons, such as in India you can find autumn season, winter season, summer season, okay, spring season. The average annual temperature is 27 degrees Celsius, and the average rainfall is in between 200 and 250 centimeter of the Amazon basin. Now, in the right hand side of the presentation, as you can see, a beautiful picture is given. A woman hunts on the Rio Negro river. A woman, local tribe, doing hunting on the Rio Negro river, Brazil, Amazon. Next is a beautiful picture of forest levels of the Amazon. So as you can see, the levels are mentioned from the below side. The first one is forest floor, then understory layer, then canopy layer, then emergent layer. So already I explained about this four layers in the Google Classroom. Let me give you one quick recap what we have done. So it is all about the biodiversity. The Amazon basin is one of the most biodiverse place on the earth. The rainforest has teeming species, mean variety of species of trees, plants, animals and insects. Most of the forests of the Amazon basins are moist and evergreen. They have multiple layers of vegetation. So these are the layers of vegetation. So what are the layers of vegetations? Are such as an understory, a subcanopy, and a canopy. The canopy forms a dense and continuous covers over the forest. Okay. So here today I am ending this class. In the next class we will start from next paragraph of the same lesson. Till then I want you people to go to the lesson properly.